Hey, what's up Cardano holders? So before we get started this video, please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for more this type informative videos. My brothers, the holders of Cardano doing a huge mistake in the same time. What's the mistake? I will tell you, my brother, but kindly holders. First of all, you can see here this time the change occurred. So all change occur last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 7 days change occur will be negative or will be negative and being very badly fails down. So therefore I will tell you, my brother, to what's going on in upcoming time, and holders are doing very big mistake. Yes, the mistake is that, my friends, today are selling. So yeah, why you are selling? And if you are selling, then absolutely you are in the loss. So I will tell you, my brother, in this video to what's my opinion, what's my expectation, my brother, from this coin. Can there is a chance to them effort or not, my brother? So let's get started without any time waste. Kindly subscribe this channel and press the bell icon. So first of all, as you can see, my brother, this time the change occur in just in only the price. As you can see here, minus 2.43%. the price is decreased now. And what's the main reason to the price is decreased very highly? You can see here this time 2% just in only in 1 hour. So this time you can see here the 1.59 USD is the latest price of Cardano. And this chart is completely, my friend, you can see here, you see some interesting. You can see here this time the chart is completely fails down. So it's 100% reality, my brother. To upcoming time there, this coin is also fails down. So absolutely, definitely, my friends, after a fails, every cryptocurrency take a very huge jump. So therefore there is more chances to take a jump. So I think you doing very huge mistake if you starting selling. So I recommend you, my holder, my brothers, to don't sell it, hold it. You need to hold and wait for a good time. I hope, my brother, the price will be increased just in only in upcoming time. So as you can see, my brother, especially from last 1 month chart, then exactly, my brother, the average is going to be negative minus 10.79%. the price is also decreased now just in only in last 1 month. So this chart is completely show you, my brother, to upcoming time there is more chances so they will take a jump, because, my brother, if you could see here, after a fail, every cryptocurrency take a very huge jump now. So at the last point, arrows go to upward directions, which mean to upcoming time they will give you a very good profit. Cardano holders, my opinion is that to please hold, don't sell it, don't do this mistake, please, otherwise you lost, my brother. Let's see, my brother, upcoming time what's going on, but kindly you need to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification.